how to export Base44 design to Figma. First, open up Base44, then go to apps, and here find the design which you want to export to Figma. Now we will click on publish here, and you just want to copy your URL. So I'm just going to copy the URL, and we need to go to Figma. Now from the left hand side, navigate to community and search the community for HTML to design, like this, and you want to get this plugin. Click on it and then select try in, and you can either create a new file. I'm just going to create a new file, so new Figma file. Okay, so new design here, and it is going to look like this. Convert any website into fully editable design, Figma design. So click on run, and here import websites, give it some time to load, and import via URL. We are just going to paste the URL which we copied and click on import. Here you can choose whichever options you want. Okay, so once this is complete, then it is going to show you this, and click on OK, and now you should be able to see your design here. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.